Alright, so we're gonna make some chicken fried rice today. First, you gotta start with some rice. I'm gonna do 2 cups of rice here. Wash it real good. I always wash my rice until we can no longer see any cloudy water. It's just clear at the end. So we're gonna wash it just like this, not too hard, just gentle. You don't wanna release too much of the starch in the rice. I know a lot of people know how to make rice, especially in an instant pot, but you can't skip any step. You're also using cold water here. You don't want to use hot water. I think cold water works better with being gentle on the rice. So we're gonna measure our rice. I always use the finger dip method. Make sure your rice is level when you're doing this. And we're there, just a little more. See, the water is mostly clear here. All right, so next we're gonna put our 2 cups of rice with the water in it that is cleaned up into the Instant Pot. There it is. Put the lid on it. And we're gonna set this to rice. Easy as that. Make sure you put it to venting and not pressure cooking. And we wait, see when the rice is cooked. Alright, so here, ideally, you could use whatever chicken you want to use. You could make it in the meantime as well. But this is actually just some leftover chicken that Trini made yesterday. We're just gonna cut it up into some smaller pieces to put in our chicken. Fried rice, something smaller than bite size. Doesn't have to be all perfect. Actually, the rice we're using today is basmati rice. Ideally, I would just use like any jasmine short grain rice, but gotta work with what you got, right? We're also gonna do half of a medium-sized onion. Maybe even a third. I don't really like a bunch of onions in my fried rice, but it definitely needs to be in there for me.
Alright, Brother Brian here. So we've got all our ingredients mixed in. Remember, you can add whatever ingredients you like. You can adjust and taste to your liking. This is your recipe, make it how you want it. This is just a simple, quick, and easy fried rice, and hopefully this is what it looks like after you're done adding all your ingredients.
Excited for this fried rice. Feeling like I'm back home. I know this is gonna be good because I've made this so many times, but That doesn't mean I don't get excited for it still. Guys, have some of that. I always put some hot sauce in it too, just for that extra kick. Oh, all right. It's simple. That took like probably 18 minutes total of cooking time. Cleaning the rice. I mean, if you got 30 minutes in your day, you can easily make this fried rice. All this food in 30 minutes. The bag of vegetables that cooks in 5 minutes in the microwave. You can use leftover chicken that, for example, my girlfriend made yesterday. If you have any leftover chicken and you want to just use it up, it doesn't have to be chicken, it could be meat, any kind of meat. You can make fried rice, just dice them into small pieces and you're ready to go. I'm all about efficiency, but just because it's efficient doesn't mean that it doesn't have to taste good, because this is great. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was some good fried rice. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna be cooking up a lot of different things.